Hey guys, here's a quick review of this handheld vacuum cleaner that I got on Amazon. So I want to do a quick unboxing real quick. Here's a little brush. Little simple brush, nothing too crazy. Here's the filter. When you're cleaning your filter, you would just go between these edges and brush it out. We have our different attachments. So here's one attachment that goes at the end of the vacuum. Here's a very clever item. So it's actually a docking station where we can put our different attachments. So for instance, here's our little attachment that we're gonna use. We can just pop that right there, hold it for later. Here's one more attachment. This attachment is to get into little grooves, as you can see. But we're gonna add this to the little docking station to use for later. Here we go. So now we have all three added to the docking station. We have the docking station itself and two attachments, one to get into closer fine tooth areas and one to be a little wider brush. And then we have the main thing itself, what we all came here for, the vacuum itself. Now this vacuum looks very useful and very compact. I will say that it is not very heavy at all, which I like. You can see three settings on here. So it's a light bulb to put a little light. Very useful for when you're trying to get in those dark areas. We also have a battery indicator just to show us how much power we have. So if you can see, once I turn it on, it'll light up. See, as you can see, it'll light up and show me how much power it has. And to turn it on, obviously we just press that button. Once you press it the first time, it sucks pretty good. And then once you press it the second time, it goes into like a turbo mode. Now that I've went through the unboxing and showed you all the little pieces that comes with this handheld vacuum, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use it on the daily in my car to just clean up around in my car.